Hi, thank you for joining. Yin Yoga today to stretch properly in a relaxed way. I'll talk more about all great benefits it has and aspects it works on when you're in the pose. And we start right now with melting heart pose. Make your way on your hands and knees. Check that your knees in line with the hips. Extend those arms to the front. You can keep your hands wider if you have tight shoulders. You can rest your elbows on the mat or keep them up. For stronger sensations, an option is to bend one arm or both arms to rest your forehead on your hands, on your block, or just in front of your hands if you keep your arms bent. Find your stillness in your body and mind. We hold the pose for 4 minutes. I'll let you know when we will be halfway through. Yin is meditative, still practice, focusing on the natural breath and bodily sensations. We maintain gentle, persistent pressure, and we work not only on physical, but also on energetical, emotional, and mental levels. Anytime you start feeling pins and needles, pain, burning sensation, or numbness, please adjust. Yin Yoga is based on Chinese medicine and works on meridians, energy channels, which are intertwined all over the body. They call nadis in traditional Indian yoga. Prana, chi energy, the life force, flows through those channels. We stimulate those meridians and increase energy flow, remove blockages by holding particular poses. The area is squeezed, some gentle pressure applied and released. Similar how acupressure works. We are about halfway through the pose. If you had one arm bent, change the other arm. You can resting the forehead on the hand or just in front of the hand. Most of traditional yoga styles are yang and stimulate muscles. Yin triggers our deeper connective tissues, ligaments, joints, cartilage, bones, fascia, which is like a net holding all tissues, where most of our stiffness and tension accumulates. Not only physical, but also emotional and mental. It's not always easy to access those deeper layers in traditional yoga class. Yin and Yang concept is originated in Taoism, Chinese philosophy. Yin can be described as shady and Yang as sunny. Yin is cooler, slower, inner. Yang is warmer, quicker, outer. Feminine and masculine, soft and hard. Most important is balance. Where is balance, there is harmony and health. And slowly make your way to child pose as a rebound pose, relaxing the shoulders, resting those arms beside your body for about 10 relaxing breaths. About 1 minute. Staying connected inwards, aware of your bodily sensations, of your breath, of support beneath you. And we move to downwards facing dog. As transition, you can move through the hips, shoulders, or stretch in stillness, stretch those legs. Next pose is yogic squat. So if taking those feet wider, if your heels are not touching the mat, you can place blocks or books at home the same size. Elbows or forearms help you to open the legs more. You can take those palms together. You can rest your third eye, the point between your eyebrows, on your fingertips, or just stay with eyes closed for a couple of minutes. At the physical level is a good opening in the hips area, stretches legs and strengthens ankles. Works on liver, kidney, bladder, meridian at the energetical level. Kidney together with bladder meridian are a storehouse for vital energy and need to remain balanced for all other organs to function well. And slowly sit back and release your hips, legs in rebound pose, windshield wipers. Next pose will be caterpillar, which is like forward bend in traditional yoga. You can sit on the block if you have, or something higher to get more flexion in the hips area. Or you can do it with one leg bend. If you have a spare brick or block, you can rest the forehead. Upper body surrenders over lower body. At the physical level, it's a gentle stretch for the lower back. loosens the hamstrings and warms up the quadriceps, compresses the stomach and internal organs like providing a massage, cures menstrual cramps, slows heart rate, rejuvenates spinal nerves. The urinary bladder meridian is highly stimulated, great for the liver, spleen, and kidneys. So I'll be quiet now. Just let you to connect inwards, to listen to your body, observe your sensations. If you notice any thoughts are coming, if any other distractions, let them be. Let them go, returning back to your breath, your bodily sensations. We are halfway through now, 2 minutes left, 4 minutes altogether. So if you had one leg bend, change the other leg. An option to go deeper if you feel your body invites you to go deeper. You can rest your head also on your fists or on your hands. Emotions are also in our tissues. Where else? Kidney and urinary bladder meridians are related to fear. Stomach and spleen to worry, anxiety. Liver to anger, envy. Heart to joy, fright, and depression. So it's good to practice Yin Yoga to balance those emotions. And slowly come to upright, draw those knees to your chest, give yourself a nice hug, relax your shoulders, face around your spine. And now we take spinal twists, also they call belly twists. You can cross your legs or just keep your knees together. Twisting towards the end of the practice helps to restore equilibrium in the nervous system and release tension in the spine. Massages the stomach organs. Good to take them in any style of yoga practice before Shavasana. Change the other side. Eyes are closed. Relax enjoy your twist. And now you can rest in blissful Shavasana corpse pose, relaxing your feet, legs, hips, belly, your palms, arms and your shoulders, your face, inside of your mouth. Melting to the support beneath. Relaxing your body weight all the way down. I leave you here in your Shavasana. Thank you for joining.